Guys, this is Sam's Rich. Welcome to my channel. I'm now here at SM Santa Rosa. I have been to somewhere else here. Find a good opportunity, but not. Unfortunately, it's not my time right now. And now before I get back home, I just roaming around here. And this is a small skating. I don't know how to play that actually. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. There's lots of food here. A restaurant is everywhere here. A fine dine. Oh, it's not is it a fine dine? It's good to dine that when you have a partner or a group. Even here, oh, there is a Viking coffee shop. My bowling, my favorite sport. Hi guys, this is Emsrit. Around after a few minutes of waiting. Just very okay guys, this is Emsrit. Oh, the bike is not sponsored. It's a fall in line before you get entered into that Vikings. I never been here. Branches. I guess it's Four Seasons, or I forgot in SM MOA. But I observed that you need to fall in line. It looks like they are waiting for a job interview like me earlier. But no, they are waiting for their turn in the buffet. Viking. And now I am roaming around looking for the food court. Hanggang food court lang tayo guys. No more to those kind of restaurant. Kailangan muna nating kumayod. I need to strive more. Actually it's a holiday right now, but some are working, of course. I think it's not it's a mesa. I've been there before. It's a good Filipino restaurant here. Anyway guys, this is SM store, of course. Who doesn't know that mall? Oh, there's a lot of tambay. I like this ambience. to sit there. It's a waiting area, is it? Yeah. They are allowed to sit. Because if you want to go here in the mall, and if you want to relax, oh, I guess it's later. I will stay there also before I get home, because you know it's almost 2 hours or 1.5 hours here travel from home because of the traffic. But good thing that anyway guys, where is the food court? I think at the other building. What a journey it has been. Restaurant. Level 2. So I've been to level 1. Kain muna tayo, guys. I have to eat my pack lunch here. That's mine. Tingin muna tayo sa ating favorite. Favorite? No, it's not my favorite. Binili, mamaya na lang. Ligaw tayo, dapat tayo duman sa SM department store para tayo makadiretso ng food court. Hi guys, this is Emsrich. Welcome to my channel. It's good to be back here at SM Santa Rosa. But unfortunately, going back home, not bringing the bacon. Bringing the bacon. My favorite, Conti is my favorite. Not sponsored guy, but I love the mango bravo. Kinda expensive. Before it's 800 plus the mini. And right now, the tray. Gala-gala muna sa mall. When you are working here, ubos din ang sweldo mo dito. What? How much? No matter how much. If you are not controlling yourself, because dito rin mauuwi ang iyong sweldo sa mga very temptation of those craving much. Nga ba doon tayo dapat tumawid sa department store Ayan, sanay naman tayong maligaw guys. Ayan. Nandito tayo, puro level 2. Level 2 but another side. At dito ang food court. Ayun, ang food court ng SM Scattered Shop. Nandito kaya ang favorite ko, ang Jamaican patty. Wala naman tayong mabibili dyan sa mga yan. Kana na ang chance. Ito dati ang sikat na sikat. Oh, mahal na siya talaga. Parang makakabili ka dyan. How much the lemon? Oh, mahal na rin. Lahat ay mahal. Wala nang mura. Kain tayo guys sa may baon tayo. Ayun, dapat dito tayo dumaan. Oh no. Dapat dito tayo. Hindi tayo pumasok ng department store, kaya yan, bumaba pa tayo. Mga favorite ko. Maliit lang ang food court. Kasi nga, daming restaurant na rin naman sa baba. Jamaican patty. May taho. May baon tayong chicken. Kaso saan natin kakainin? Kailangan may bilhin tayo dito kahit mura lang. Po rin tayo. Tayo namang mabibili dito. Ay, so very expensive. Anyway guys, thank you for watching.